The 60WI is so awesome because it can go into almost any space, almost any surface, anywhere. It can go into a hallway, it can go into a gym, it can go into spaces where interactive whiteboards couldn't go before. And that's the great thing about it. It can turn all these surfaces and make them interactive and collaborative. And the best part is you can have two people simultaneously interacting and collaborating together with the pen and the finger. The LightRay 60WI does something that no other integrated interactive projector does. It is the world's first integrated interactive projector which brings both finger and touch and simultaneous collaboration between two students. It's not just one student up there working, it's two students collaborating together, solving problems together, working together. You can have the center of the classroom with an interactive whiteboard, but you can also foster small group learning with the 60WI at the side of the room as well. Smart Notebook allows interactive content to come alive with the interactive projector. It allows teachers to create creative and powerful presentations that engage students. Flexibility built into the 60WI allows you to turn any wall, almost any surface, into an interactive learning space. You can go from 67 inches to 100 inches of screen size. With Smart adding the LightRay 60WI to its comprehensive lineup, it allows us to address a lot of different pedagogical and economic needs. But it's not just about the interactive projector. It's about the access to all the different pieces of content that are available in the Smart Exchange. It's the fact that it brings that whole solution to life by integrating with other products such as Smart Audio, Smart Response, Smart Document Camera. All of these things create a complete classroom solution. It brings finger and pen and collaboration to an interactive projector. It is a fantastic solution for a lot of different spaces.